Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find this option, Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case I've got 6 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings and the contacts. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So if you'd like to check some further details, you've got two different ways to do that. You can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard where you can check the specific time of spent on the screen in specific days of the week. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and of course you can change weeks. You can check different weeks, yes, and different days. Under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them, and as you can see, some of those apps have this hourglass icon next to it. It's because you can set the app timer for those apps. So let's pretend that I'm spending too much time on this game, Block Blast. So we can set the app timer just above this hourglass icon, and as you can see here we can choose the hours, then the minutes, confirm it with OK, and your device will set the app limit for the specific app you need. So this is how it works. After getting back, you can also use a second way of checking some details. So you can tap inside, or maybe not inside, but on the app. So for example, the settings or contacts. Let me choose the settings. And as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. We can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. What is more, after scrolling down here, you've got also ways to disconnect. The app limits, so the option which I've discussed already, but also we've got bedtime mode, focus mode, or screen time reminders. So for example, let me explain the focus mode. After entering here, we can select some distracting apps. So I assume it could be social media apps, for example Facebook or Instagram, or I don't know, whatever you've got there, whatever distracts you. After marking the app, it will be immediately applied to this section, your distracting apps. Then you can set the schedule. So you can choose the specific days of the week, you can choose the start and the end time, and after tapping on set, your device will basically block or hide the notifications from those apps. So you will be able to focus on different things like, I don't know, work or spending time with the family or rest or whatever you need the time for. So I think it is a really, really nice option, especially nowadays when we are using our devices too much. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.